All right, folks, gather around. Whether you're dreaming of launching the next big tech startup or opening a cozy little cafe, starting a company is a thrilling adventure. Tonight, we're diving into the scintillating world of corporate law. Yes, I know it sounds dry, but trust me, it's the backbone of your business journey. Don't worry, I promise to make it as painless as possible. Think of it as learning the rules of a game you want to win. We're talking about the Companies Act of 2017, Pakistan's rule book for all things company related. This act is your guide to navigating the legal landscape. Think of it as the constitution for businesses. It lays down the fundamental principles and guidelines that every business must follow. It tells you what you can and can't do, how to set up shop, and how to keep your nose clean in the eyes of the law. It's like having a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. Now, why should you care? Because understanding these rules can be the difference between success and failure. Well, if you're a budding entrepreneur with dreams of building an empire, this act is your new best friend. It's designed to help you build a solid foundation for your business. It's here to help you navigate the complex world of business and come out on top. With the right knowledge, you can avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions. This act is all about transparency and accountability. It ensures that businesses operate in a fair and ethical manner. It ensures everyone plays fair, protecting your interests and those you do business with. So let's dive in and explore how this act can be your ally in building a successful company. The act covers a whole buffet of company types, each with its own flavor. You've got your private companies, the more intimate gatherings of shareholders. Then there are public companies, the big kahunas listed on the stock exchange. We're talking companies like those tech giants you hear about, always in the news. There are also single-member companies, perfect for the solopreneurs out there. And don't forget about non-profits, those do-gooders making the world a better place. The Act lays out the rules for each type, ensuring everyone understands their rights and responsibilities. Now, let's talk about the registration process. It's not as daunting as it sounds, and with the right guidance, it can be a smooth journey. I know, paperwork. It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. But the Act has streamlined this process, making it less painful than a trip to the dentist. You can now do most of it online, which is a huge relief. First, you've got to pick a name for your baby. This is your company's identity, so take your time and choose wisely. Make it catchy, memorable, and most importantly, available. You'll need to check if the name is already taken. Then comes the fun part, drafting your company's constitution. This is like the rule book for your company. This document outlines your company's purpose, structure, and how it'll operate. It's essential to get this right. Next up, you'll file all this paperwork with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, or SECP. They handle all the official stuff. They're like the referees of the corporate world, ensuring everyone follows the rules. They keep the playing field fair. Once the SECP gives you the green light, boom, you're officially in business. It's a moment worth celebrating. Section 4, Playing by the Rules. Operational guidelines for companies. Once you're up and running, the Act lays out some ground rules that every company must follow to ensure smooth operations and compliance with the law. Think of it like being in a library. You've got to be respectful and follow the code of conduct. Just as you wouldn't talk loudly or disturb others in a library, businesses must adhere to certain standards and practices. You'll need to hold regular shareholder meetings, keep accurate financial records, and ensure that all financial transactions are transparent and well documented. Paying your taxes on time is crucial. This not only keeps you in good standing with the government, but also helps in maintaining the financial health of your company. The Act also mandates transparency in your dealings with shareholders and the public. This means being open about your business practices and financial status. It's all about building trust and accountability, which are the cornerstones of any successful business relationship. These principles are crucial for any successful business. They help in fostering a positive work environment and promoting growth. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, or something like that. As a business leader, it's your duty to uphold these guidelines and lead by example. Section 5. Everybody chill. Dispute resolution under the Act. Look, disagreements happen even in the best of companies. But before you go full-on courtroom drama, the Act provides mechanisms for resolving disputes peacefully. Mediation and arbitration are encouraged as alternatives to lengthy court battles. This saves you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. It's like having a calm, rational friend help you work things out instead of duking it out in a steel cage match. So, there you have it, folks, the Companies Act 2017. It may sound intimidating, but it's ultimately there to help you succeed. It's like having a trusty person guiding you through the wild world of business ownership. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding this act gives you the power to build a thriving, sustainable business. Now go out there and make some magic happen.